Ever wondered who holds the reins in the fast-paced world of agile project management? The answer might surprise you. It's not the project manager or the product owner, but the Scrum Master. This enigmatic figure is a key player, the conductor orchestrating a symphony of productivity. Their role is as complex as it is crucial, managing both the tangible and intangible aspects of project delivery. Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of a Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is the maestro orchestrating the rhythm and harmony of agile projects. Picture this. You're standing in front of an orchestra, but instead of violins and cellos, you're directing a team of developers, designers, and stakeholders. Each has their own skill set, their own part to play in the symphony of the project. As a Scrum Master, your baton is communication. Your role is to ensure that everyone is playing in tune, that their efforts align towards a common goal. You're there to remove any obstacles that might throw the team off beat. This could be anything from clarifying ambiguities in the project scope to resolving conflicts within the team. It's your job to ensure that the agile principles are being followed, that the rhythm of sprints and stand-ups keeps the project moving forward steadily. The Scrum Master is the team's beacon, guiding them through the stormy seas of project development. As the lighthouse illuminates the path for ships, so does the Scrum Master for their team. What makes a Scrum Master capable of such a crucial role? It boils down to a unique blend of skills and experiences. First and foremost, a Scrum Master is a leader, but not in the traditional sense. Their leadership style is servant leadership, which means they serve the team by removing obstacles, facilitating discussions, and fostering an environment where team members can perform at their best. They are excellent communicators, capable of facilitating clear and effective dialogue between team members, stakeholders, and other parties involved in a project. Problem solving is also at the core of their skill set, as they're often called upon to resolve conflicts and find solutions to the challenges that arise during a project. Additionally, a Scrum Master must be intimately familiar with Agile methodologies. This knowledge is fundamental to guiding the team through the stages of product development, ensuring the work aligns with Agile principles. Armed with these skills, a Scrum Master can lead any team to success. Every role has its ups and downs, and the Scrum Master is no exception. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty, the challenges that a Scrum Master faces. It's an integral part of the role to manage diverse teams. And with diversity comes a mix of personalities, working styles, and perspectives. Now imagine juggling all these elements while ensuring the team stays focused and productive. It's like directing an orchestra where each musician plays a different tune. Another hurdle is the resolution of conflicts. Disputes are unavoidable in any setting, and the Scrum Master must act as a mediator, ensuring the team's harmony while keeping the project on track. It's a delicate balancing act, requiring exceptional interpersonal skills and a cool head. But the role of a Scrum Master isn't all about challenges. There's a silver lining too, in the form of rewards. For starters, the salary is competitive, reflecting the high level of responsibility and skill required. Beyond the financial aspect, there's a wealth of job satisfaction to be found. As a Scrum Master, you'll be at the heart of the action, guiding your team towards their goals and witnessing the fruits of your collective labor. It's a role that offers a sense of achievement and purpose. Moreover, Scrum Masters have the unique opportunity to work in dynamic, fast-paced environments, always learning, always evolving. It keeps the role fresh and exciting, ensuring there's never a dull moment. The path of a Scrum Master may be challenging, but the rewards make it a journey worth embarking on. A Scrum Master's journey doesn't end with mastering Scrum. There's a whole universe of opportunities waiting to be explored. As a Scrum Master, your role is not just about facilitating team communication and ensuring smooth project progression. It's also about personal growth and career advancement. Imagine yourself evolving into an agile coach, where you could guide multiple teams and even whole organizations in adopting and optimizing agile practices. Or consider the path towards becoming a product owner, where you could take charge of product vision and work closely with stakeholders to deliver value. Beyond these, there are numerous other roles where your Scrum Master skills can shine, like a project or program manager, a business analyst, or even a consultant, each offering a unique set of challenges and rewards. The beauty of being a Scrum Master is that it opens doors to a multitude of opportunities. It's a role that equips you with transferable skills, making you a valuable asset in any project management environment. As a Scrum Master, the sky's the limit.